Alright, Jacob, what are we doing today?
Today, we are duct taping my windows and convertible roof shut.
Sick.
To not leak.
Yeah, because they don't close.
He lied to me. He said it don't leak in the rain. It's leaking.
Yeah, and it's raining, so you know what we gotta do. Because, yeah, if you look over here, this part doesn't actually, doesn't close. That's an issue. Not only that, this side's even worse. I could put my whole finger in here. Also, it probably leaks from here, which definitely sucks. Look how crusty it is. All the way down it looks like that. But the rest of the car's clean, so.
I got a plan.
Alright.
We're gonna cut up these bags, put one strip on the outside and one on the inside of plastic, and seal it with the duct tape. It's gonna look tacky as hell, but we're out of options.
Yeah, this is only for the little rain.
Ooh.
Yeah.
How is that fresh? It was covered. And I'm just gonna duct tape this.
Nice.
It looks like it was sealed at some point with something.
Yeah.
Once we tape this, we can't open the door.
Yeah.
That's gonna be a problem. Looks like nobody riding with me. That means I can't do my side. Uh-oh. I'm gonna have to rethink this. What if we did like plastic there, right? And we taped it on one side, and then another layer on the other side, so we close it, they like, I don't know.
They like seal?
I don't know. That's a conundrum.
So it kind of is closed.
Because this one's not.
I think it's sealed here, but like, yeah, that looks closed. But like Jacob's side's even worse. So.
I mean, I'm gonna need 10 racks.
Yeah.
But like,
I'm gonna need 10 racks.
that's as high as it goes.
Comment that down below. You know, hashtag I'm gonna need 10 racks.
Bro, like,
oh.
That's water.
How are we gonna do this?
I don't know. Because this is the side I gotta get in and out of.
Hey. Tron Royal bag coming soon.
You better bring it.
Yeah, that sticker's hella cool.
I'll just climb in the other side.
Let's drive with the top down.
Now there's an idea. We'll tape the top up right now. You said it leaks on your legs. I don't want to deal with that.
Dude, oh my god, it's so gross. This gonna look so bad.
It's gonna look tacky as hell. I wish I had black tape to go over this, but I don't. Clean e36, no more.
Yeah.
From a distance it looks clean, but now it won't.
Look at this. Oh yeah. There I am over there. Nice.
How bad does it look?
On camera you can't see it.
There we go.
Well, if you just put it everywhere, so it's like silver trim.
Get like Tron, but it's like duct tape. It looks like a beat to shit e36 convertible wants to drive in the rain.
Yeah, and that's all you need. Goddamn BMW and their automatic convertibles.
Why couldn't it just be a manual top?
You know, if I'm like this far, it kind of matches like the rest of the silver, like the wheels.
Oh yeah, it looks dope. I'll just do it along here too. Just seal it.
Yeah.
See what would happen.
This isn't gonna work.
Haha. Just kidding. And then I open it and it gets ripped off.
Yeah.
But I could wash it.
Yay!
The storm is coming outside. That looks really bad.
Now you're definitely not gonna be able to open it.
It's fine.
How are you gonna like seal it? It's not gonna work.
Alright, bro, I'm heading out.
Actually, it kind of does like.
It kind of worked.
Yeah, it kind of worked like right here. Not up here though. Up here was like terrible. Absolutely mint. This is what driving is. Oh,
gas. No, they have money to get gas.
give us subscribers so we get money so that we can drive. That's all we want.
I just want to be able to move my vehicle.
Oh yeah, Ben actually got to install his strut bars. Just wanted to let you guys know.
You can show it off when you get to.
Yeah. It required
drilling.
Yeah, more stuff that we couldn't do it because we don't have that skill. We don't have the tools for that.
RJ.
Yeah, RJ did do it.
This kind of works though.
Barely.
Damn, this wheel's beat.
I know. I don't know if he parked like on the same side of the road every day.
Fine. But look at this fitment though.
We need a spacer and more
Cambies.
cambies. I want to be like almost rim.
Nice.
And this needs to be stiffer and lower. Because when there's people in the car, it rubs.
Yeah. So then don't have people.
Exactly. Rear seat delete.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just tape this in place. Alright. This
Smells like black ice and cigarette.
I know. I thought it would just smell like black ice, but the cigarette smell is prevalent. Alright. This way, the window won't fall down when I close the door aggressively. Everything on the passenger side is so much better than the driver's side, and it's really unfortunate. Like, the window goes up, there's no I'm gonna need 10 rack sticker, the tit's not fucked up. Hell yeah. And I, oop.
This side doesn't work.
Everything's fine. Everything's fine.
Barely.
It wouldn't leak too bad. So I guess we won't use the plastic bags. Damn it!
Yeah,
I guess it's good that we don't need them. Kind of.
the gap is so big. This is like so funny.
I don't know why this window's so low. I gotta tear apart the inside and find out if it's the motor or the
Yeah. Dude, you're not gonna be able to open the door at this point.
Shut up.
You like rip off the window.
Good. Don't need it anyway.
Oh wait, it like went up. Wait, just tape it on the inside. Go on the other side and tape it. Oh god. Just like put the tape and like pull it up as much as you can.
I'm gonna need 10 racks!
What does this mean? Why does he have this sticker?
That's how much it's gonna cost to fix this damn car. You're gonna need 10 racks.
You know how much it's worth?
Not 10 racks.
1 racks.
This might work. Hit me up if you want it. Trade me something cool.
God
Damn it! It's so close. It's just a tester.
But what if you like folded it, you know, like that?
Oh, like made a bigger seal.
Yeah.
A copious amount of duct tape.
It's gonna be so hard to take off in like summer when the tape gets all crusty.
We'll find out when we get there.
Yeah.
We'll cross that bridge when we get to it.
Oh, it's getting closer.
It's almost there. Dude, this is turning out better than I expected.
Alright, we're vlogging. We're vlogging today. I don't know how people do this. My arm is already tired. I'm TJ Hunt.
TJ just vlogs all day. He doesn't even drive his cars.
Yeah, alright, here we go. I'm gonna do an install.
Bye, buddy. Bye, buddy.
I'm gonna do a bag install. Alright, it's installed. I couldn't get the angle right, but
we had a really hard time getting the angle. It's just me today.
yeah, it's just me in the shop today.
So
Obviously.
And I don't want to show it quite yet because I don't have the wheels on, but once I get them on like a week from now, then I'll show the bags. I'll show you guys my new ride height.
Yeah.
Now let's get a word from our sponsor.
Now, yeah, today we're sponsored by Dollar Shave Club.
Yeah, fuck you, TJ. You know, it's actually illegal to pretend to be sponsored by somebody.
Really?
Yeah, if you say
we're not sponsored.
Yeah,
But yeah, someone sponsor us, literally, just so we could drive.
Home Depot will buy more duct tape from you. Oh, E92 Rex?
Bro, on
that
Instagram, that's E92 rack.
Hey!
Hey!
We're doing 2 installs today, baby. Oh, bro, getting this out's gonna be a mission.
Why is his car so quiet?
Yeah, he used to have an E36. That was loud as hell.
That shit was so loud. It had like a
Maybe I'll put a
muffler.
clip in the video. I still have a video of him doing a burnout, but not really, in the parking lot of school.
So take this, right? Put a piece of duct tape over it.
Yeah, I could see that.
I think that would work. I'm gonna try it. What's up, Rex?
Next video, how to make a Crown Royal shift boot.
Yup. Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, baby. That looks good. Bro, I'm about to leave this on till next winter, bro.
Whoever the fuck made that sticker.
It's
CQ
good.
or whatever. And we did not purchase anything for this build.
Yeah, we're too poor for black duct tape. This is just at the house duct tape.
Mission accomplished, baby.
Yeah, I mean that's what the video was about, so kind of finished. We're solid.
Now we got to figure out how to make a Crown Royal boot.
Yeah, that's next video. We'll upload that in like a day after this one.
Stay
Alright.
tuned.
Yeah, I guess that's it for this video.
She's
Just a quick
sealed.
one.
We're looking nice.
Yeah, we need content because this is just Thanksgiving break and I'll be out of town again.
Damn, bro.
Alright.
Sick.
Catch you guys probably like tomorrow or something. I don't know. Bye.